Welcome, boys and girls, to another fun lesson on fact and opinion with Mrs. Bostwick. Here are our objectives for today. By the end of this lesson, you smart students will be able to 1. Define the terms fact and opinion, and 2. Distinguish between statements of fact and
Opinion.
Hmm, what is a fact? I'm pretty sure one of you smart boys or girls out there can tell me what a fact is. A fact is a statement that can be proven true. Let us read this example. The weather is sunny. This sentence or this statement can be proven true by us simply looking outside to see what the weather is like. I want you to know, boys and girls, that not all facts are seen. For example, roots taking in water from the soil is not something that we can see. So, to prove that this is true, we need to verify it. In order to verify it, we can research the fact by asking an expert. Do you know any science experts? Maybe your science teacher can help. Or by looking it up in a source such as a book or a reliable website. Here are some keywords to help you smart students identify statements of fact. They look like dates. They have numbers in them. They are scientific statements, historical events, or non-fiction sentences. Well, boys and girls, I know that you are super smart. Here, I'm going to give you some more examples of facts. I wonder if you can help me out by saying, how do you know that this is a fact? Number 1. The Bahamas became an independent nation on July 10, 1973. If you said that this is an historical event or that it includes a date that we can verify, you are absolutely correct. Go to the head of the class, my student. Help me out again with number 2. Fort Fincastle was built to help protect the city from pirates. I'll give you a minute or two. Well, once again, it's time to check in. If you said that this is an historical fact, you are once again correct. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Number 3. The blue marlin is a fish. How do you know that this is indeed a fact? Well, yep, you got it right again. This is a scientific statement. We can find out by researching this in a book or a reliable website. Awesome, boys and girls. You're doing an amazing job so far. Remember now that a fact is a statement that can be proven true. Repeat it again. A fact is a statement that can be proven true. Well. What do we have here? It's time to learn about opinions. You read it correct. An opinion is a statement that tells how someone thinks or feels. In this sentence, Watermelon is the best fruit ever. I know some of you love delicious, juicy, mouth-watering watermelon, especially in the summer when it is so hot. Well, this sentence here is an example of how someone thinks or feels. And this is how you know that you are reading an opinion. You can agree or disagree with an opinion, but you cannot prove it right or wrong, boys and girls. Here are some keywords to help you identify opinion statements in text. We have the word prefer. I prefer. You prefer. He prefers. Think. I think you should do this. I think you should not do that. Feel. Believe. ER words are found in the sentence. EST words are found in the sentence. Once again, boys and girls, here are some more examples. I want you to tell me which keywords you find in these examples. Number 1. I think Saxons is the best Junkanoo group. Let me hear my Junkanooers roar. Yep, it's a Bahamian thing. Many of us like Junkanoo. So, which keyword did you see? If you said think, you are 100% correct. Number 2. I prefer to eat at a restaurant on Fish Fry. I know that you're smart. And I know that you said, I prefer. Oh yes, you are correct. The word prefer helps us to know that this is an opinion. Number 3. Eleuthera is home to the sweetest pineapple. Well, if you said you see a word ending in EST, oh my goodness, you're making me proud. You are correct. Give yourselves a round of applause, boys and girls. You're doing a terrific job. Come on, let's continue. Don't stop here. Now, an opinion tells how someone thinks or feels. Repeat it again. An opinion is a statement that tells how someone thinks or feels. This one is for all the songbirds. Join along with me as I sing this song. However, I want you to listen first. After I sing it once, then it will be your turn.
Fact, fact, fact it is if it can be proven. Opinion, so what one thinks, feels, or believes. Fact, fact, fact it is if it can be proven. Opinion, so what one thinks, feels, or believes.
Now, it's your turn to try. Sing along with me, boys and girls.
Fact, fact, fact it is if it can be proven. Opinion, so what one thinks, feels, or believes. Fact, fact, fact it is if it can be proven. Opinion, so what one thinks, feels, or believes.
It's practice time. Time to show off the skills that you just learned about. Do remember, boys and girls, a fact is a statement that can be proven true. Opinion is a statement that tells how someone thinks or feels. Let us read the sentences and then decide which ones are fact and which ones are opinion. Eleuthera grows the sweetest pineapples in the world. 1, 2, 3. There you go. It is an opinion. You are correctamundo. Keep up the good work. Our next sentence. Andros is an island in the Bahamas. And there you have it. It is a fact. This is something that can be proven true. Last sentence. Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis is the Prime Minister of the Bahamas. Well, I know you've seen or heard him a lot on the TV. You are absolutely correct. That is a fact. I am so proud of you, boys and girls, but it's no time to stop. Let's continue on as we learn more about fact and opinion. Well. Shake those cowbells. Beat that goatskin drum. Let's get on, dancers. It's time for Junkanoo. Well, now, I want you to look at this picture and give me one statement of fact and one statement of opinion. I will give you a few minutes to look at all of those beautiful costumes on Bay Street. Well, now, let me see. I know if you said feathers are used to decorate the costume, tremendous job. You are correct. That is one fact that we can prove by looking at the actual costumes in the picture. Good job. Now, think of an opinion. Well then, if you said these are the prettiest costumes in the entire parade, oh my goodness, you are correct. That answer is right. Here we have prettiest ending in EST, which helps us to know that this statement is actually an opinion. Boys and girls, you've done a wonderful job thus far. Remember, a fact is a statement that can be proven true. An opinion is a statement that tells how someone thinks or feels. Boy, oh boy, it's so sad that I must leave. But boys and girls, stay tuned for more educational fun and learning on the Bahamas Virtual Channel.